Well, hello there. Welcome to day 5. It's a lovely, cloudy, sunshiny day, 63 degrees. I'm on a little break before lunch. I had 2 conversation sessions this morning. One with my participants and to talk about presentations, and another relaxed one, and I'm going to take you to this one little spot that I have shown you but I haven't gone to it yet. It is on the island on a little walk. So today is a light-ish day for, oh my gosh, look at the snail. Oh. He may be in here, but he's just chilling. Put him back. We have some sessions in the morning, and then the participants are doing their presentations after lunch. They have to present for up to 5 minutes, and I want to say there's 12 participants. So it'll be roughly an hour that we do presentations, and we hear from everybody the things that they're going to be talking about and their various topics. I think I may have overheard, one sec, I may have overheard someone talking that they're going to be talking about a distillery. Someone's going to be talking about their hometown, why it's so beautiful, living a healthy lifestyle, and not sure what other people are going to talk about. So I'm their mug here. Oh, but I figure I take a little quick walk to this island to show you. Oh, there's a swing, but it's probably not good to use right here because of this table. So tomorrow will be basically a half day. We have breakfast, and I think we have maybe 2/3 conversation sessions, and then lunch, and then we get on the bus and we leave back to Warsaw. This location is about a 2 or 3 hour ride to Warsaw. We're staying in a town, Miłomłę. I think I'm saying that right. And that will be the end of my first AngloVille session. It will be the end of my first of 3. So next week I have off, and then I've signed myself up for 2 more sessions. And after I've done the 3 sessions, then I can get a TEFL teaching certification. I'm just very grateful for this opportunity. I've had so much fun. I've learned a lot about many different people. I've learned a lot more about Poland and its culture. This has really been a great program for cultural exchange, language exchange. Before this, I have not done anything involving teaching English or anything of the sorts. This program is a bit informal in the sense that you're not teaching grammar. you're having conversations and you have prompts, and you are helping the participants with their pronunciations. And if they want to work more on, I see cats, there's a lot of cats on the property. If you want to work more with them on grammar, you can, but the point of this is to really get them speaking and using English. We did have a pronunciation session where we did go over a bit more, I don't even know if that was really considered grammar, but we went over different pronunciations more in depth, because within the Polish language they don't really say anything that has a th with the th sound. So them learning to say words like 30 or thieves or yeah, anything with th, though, thoughts, is new for them to be learning this sound and having to practice using this. Don't I just look like a very, maybe this will stay. I got this tripod, and it has two connecting pieces, but the bottom stand, it won't magnetically stay closed, so I just have this handle part, so it just has a flat bottom. But don't I just look like a happy volunteer? Hey, my name's Dominique. I'm gonna be your mentor today. How are you? How's your day? I just feel like a really happy camp counselor. Although I'm not a camp counselor, I'm a mentor. That's just what it feels like. Maybe being a camp counselor is in my future. I don't want to work with kids though, but I think I definitely see myself being an adult camp counselor. I like to play games. I like to do activities. I consider myself to be an open person. I can corral people together, get them to have fun, and we can play card games, board games, outside games, relay races, obstacle courses. I think I'd make for a cool camp counselor. What do you think? Alright, I'm gonna go now. Bye. Oh, one more thing. The food. Being here at Osada Danków, the food has been, you know I love to eat. I'm gonna put some pictures of the meals we've been having today. For breakfast we had like a apple cinnamon pudding over rice, and there was like basically like a cream cheese kind of whip to pair with it. That was actually really good. I will try anything, I will eat anything. And also for breakfast I had tomato and mozzarella, basil, like oh man, you know, caprese. I'm trying to think of it. And I also had a sausage with mustard. I also they have these rolls and cheese and ham, so it made me a little sandwich and I put some mustard on it. They also had some cottage cheese, and I had a yogurt, and there was fruit, apples, and there's tea. I've been drinking lots of tea since I've been here. There's coffee as well. Oh, there's some, oh, it said ham. So breakfast and dinner are basically like a buffet style spread of different options of things, and lunch is one is not buffet style, and we don't know what they're gonna cook for us, but everything has been really good. We've had cabbage rolls, we've had pork, maybe it's not pork schnitzel, but like a pork cutlet. Yesterday was chicken and potatoes, like baked chicken and potatoes, lots of potatoes. And with lunch, we'll usually have a soup, and then the main thing. Yesterday's soup was pumpkin soup. I also got to try borscht beet soup, which is actually really good. It was savory, it was hot. And we've had broccoli soup, and we had this other soup that was savory, but I don't really know what it was called. It was just like a smooth soup. I wouldn't, and I say smooth, it didn't have a broth. Like it was like a puree, I guess. So we'll see what we have for lunch today. And dinner has been like a buffet style. For the one night we had pasta noodles and bolognese meat sauce, and we have a spread. There's some pasta salad. They've been making this tuna pasta salad with like tuna, onion, noodles. They put corn in it. You know, the classic summer tuna salad that you'd eat. And they had another pasta salad that was like pasta noodles, sun-dried tomatoes, spinach. That was good. They also had beets with some arugula and some possibly Parmesan cheese on top. That was good. There's usually tomatoes, a thing of tomatoes and cucumbers cut up. And and there's usually some lunch meats. There's bread, there's butter, and one night we had pierogies. Last night was an interesting one. We had veggie tacos, basically. There were mixed vegetables inside a tortilla. They were rolled up and they were baked. So last night was a vegetarian type meal, but there was some other meat options on the buffet, like ham, but the main course was vegetarian. And if you are a vegetarian, you can let AngloVille know ahead of time, and they will specially cook meals for you that are vegetarian for you to eat while you're here. So I've been eating very well, and the food has been really, really good. Okay, I'm gonna put some pictures so you can see some of the different stuff I've been eating. Bye now. So that's all I really have to chat about with you today. Thank you for joining me on my first AngloVille experience, and maybe you'll think of signing up yourself. I will put the website in the description box below. If you liked anything or learned anything in these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next adventure.